Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing good. So today's tutorial is on disco. Yes, the choreography what I'm going to teach you, you can do it in DJs, you can do it in clubs, you can do it in shadis, parties, anywhere where you see there is a DJ, you can dance, you can do these moves there. These are very stylish moves. Okay, so let's just start learning it. So open your legs apart and stand like this. Keep your feet parallel. Okay, so now first thing we are going to do is twist. Take your heels towards the right side and come back. Twist again, come back, twist again, come back, twist again, come back. So 4 times. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now what are we doing with the hands? Take your left hand out, right hand down. Make sure you point your fingers. Now take your right hand out, down, and right hand up, and right hand down, and right hand up. So you're going to do it 4 times but faster. Down and up and down and up. Yes, now moving on to the next step, you will do this. Watch my right leg bending here. Right hand goes up, left hand goes down. So this is your 5th count. 5. Now do the same thing on the left side. 6. So we are doing right, left. Okay, now from here, moving ahead, you will lift your right leg, turn around and do the same thing, right and then left. So basically the step is going to look like right, left, right, left. Okay, so all the 8 counts, let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Got it? I hope this much is clear. Let's move ahead. From there, again you will pick up your right leg and you turn around. What you're going to do it with the hands, circle, circle. 2 circles with both the hands on the right side. And you tap your right leg 2 times on the floor. 1, 2. Same thing on the left side, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try it a little faster from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Yes? Turn from there, moving ahead. You join your legs, hand goes here, and you do a circle and slap your thighs, bend down. Circle and slap your thighs, bend down. Now when you do it faster, so whenever you circle your hands, you do releve. What is a releve? When your heels come off the floor, you become tall. So you're going to do 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so all the 8 counts are going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Clear? Okay. So now let's try from the beginning what we have done. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Got it? Okay. Moving ahead from there, next step, we are going to do a pivot. Pivot, it's like a compass with the pencil where your one leg is stationary and the other leg keeps moving. Watch. Now you're going to step your right leg in the front and you turn from the left side but your legs remains there. Turn. Okay, so what are we going to do? Step, turn. Got it? Let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. Step and turn. It is a half turn. Now from there, again you will lift your right leg up, step, and again you will turn from your left side. Turn. So it is a complete turn you've done. So half turn and then next half turn. Okay, watch it. Step, turn, step, turn. Now with the step, you're going to punch with the right hand, which goes from down to up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. So punching up with the right hand. Let's try once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, clear? Now from there, moving on to the next step. You will take your right leg out, goes here, left hand goes up, and you're going to make X with the right hand, hit, hit, and your pelvic goes forward, forward. Okay, so this is 5, 6. Now on 7, 8, you will turn this side and repeat the same step, 7, 8. Okay, so if we do it faster, watch it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try all the 8 counts from here. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Clear? Moving on to the next step. Now from there, you're going to kick with the right leg in the front. 1, and on 2, you place your leg down. Okay, you don't have to actually kick very high. It is just a normal kick. Okay, so 1, 2. On 1 you kick up, on 2 your leg comes on the floor and you stand profile. Yes, which leg we are kicking? We are kicking with the right leg. 1, 2. From there, you're going to make V with your hands. V. Pointed fingers, V, and then cross your hand, cross. V, cross. Or you can call it VX. Okay, so this is going to be 3, 4. The full step is going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving ahead from there, you're going to take your left hand out. With the right hand, you're going to make a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when you do 5, 6, 7, 8, your right leg will tap on the floor and moves out. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, watch it once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the full step is going to look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Got it? Alright, let's move to the next step. From there, you're going to step your right leg in the front 2 times. 1, 2. Okay, so now when you tap it twice, at the same time your right hand goes up. 1, 2. So hand and leg is going simultaneously. You're doing it little diagonal. 1, 2. And on 3, 4, your leg changes and hand changes. 3, 4. Okay, so let's try. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? From there, on the 5th count, you jump out and you both the hands go up. 5. On 6, you come down. 6 and clap. 7 and hand goes up. 8, you clap again. So step is going to look like up, down, up, down. Okay, so the full step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Got it? Alright. From there, next step. After the clap, what you're going to do is you will stand up and your right hand goes 1. Yes, your right hand on the left side, 1. Now you pull your right hand in and right leg in, 2. And go back 3. And on the 4th count, hand goes up. Just throw your hand out. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we are going to do this step 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Let's try once again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes. Let's try this routine. So I hope you like the choreography. Stay tuned to the channel and keep on doing the workouts which I keep on posting and the activities also. Stay fit, stay healthy. Bye bye.